Want to make your video look like it's straight out of a paranormal movie? With CapCut Mobile, you can add floating ghost effects that create an eerie and mysterious atmosphere in just a few taps. Start by opening your project and selecting the video you want to edit. Next, tap Effects and choose Video Effects. Search for the floating ghost effect and apply it to your clip. As soon as it's added, you'll start seeing ghostly figures drifting across the screen, giving the video a supernatural feel. To customize the look, tap on the effect in the timeline. You can increase the speed setting to make the ghost move faster or lower it for a slower, more haunting appearance. You can also adjust the atmosphere setting to control how visible the ghosts appear in the scene. Review the video and make a small adjustments until you're happy with the final result. And that's how to add spooky floating ghosts to your video in CapCut Mobile. It's a fun effect that's perfect for horror edits, Halloween content, spooky storytelling, and creative social media videos.